Hi everyone, I'm Siyok from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to view all your comments on Instagram. Being able to see all your comments in one place helps you keep track of past interactions and manage your activity easily. So, let's get started on how to view all your comments on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the hamburger icon from the top right corner of your screen. Here you can see the Your Activity option. Tap on it. Finally, in the Your Activity section, tap on the Comments option. This will show you a list of all the posts you have commented on Instagram. And this is how you can view all your comments on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.